Pikachu donut. Look at that, so cute, right? So I found this picture of this one and I was like, I need to make this, but I don't have the pattern. But somehow I figured out how to do it. So here that is. And then the one I saw, I think they kind of glued the Pokeball on it, but I don't really like gluing. So I just made it so it's, you know, removable. You can detach it. So super cute. So let me put it back on. So this one, I really like it, and I'm gonna share with you how to make it, so stay tuned. And so make sure if you like my video, please give me a like, comment, and share with your friends. So all right, let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. This is the base piece, okay? So you can see I already have the keychain because I don't want to remove it. And then this is the connector with all the pieces. So you can see here, just simply put it in here. And then we're gonna add the layers. So this is gonna be the 4th layer. So simply place it onto the top. And then the next layer is this one. So also insert it to the top. Now comes to this piece, 2nd layer. So we're gonna build the last layer later. Let's build the base. So this one will be the base. So we go to the bottom and simply it fits perfect. So ta-da! Okay. So the 2nd base piece is this. Ta-da! And then the last base piece is this one. So, got it? Okay, so now we can add the front piece. This is the front piece. Alright, so now with the base, it's more stable. And let's build the side. So let's come with all the side pieces. First one, 2nd one, and last one. Okay, so let's come to the side. It looks very complicated, but actually it's very easy to put it in. So go this way and place it on here. It's like a puzzle. So you just slowly insert it inside. See? And then the 2nd one here. So it gives the levels to this donut, right? This is the last piece. Oh, the other way. Okay, so we got one side done. Let's work on the other side. So like this. Go to the side and let's see. Okay. So the long length is towards to the top of the piece. So let's go in. Sometimes do it very carefully because when you do like this, it might break the piece a little bit. Then you have to fix that piece. 2nd piece. Oops. Yep. Always play around like a puzzle. Have fun with it. No rush. And then the last one. Yay, make sure they balance. See, sometimes it has a little gap, then I will switch the pieces. But here, it's okay. Alright, now it comes to the last 2 pieces. The Pokeball. And how they attach this one. So these are very tight enough that I made so I can simply put it there and it is not loose. And then adding the Pokeball onto the top. That's how you make it.
Yay! So now you have this, right? It's so easy to build. It takes like maybe 2 minutes. So it's really quick, except like building the pieces take a little while. But this one is very easy and it's super cute. I love it. You can give it to your friends. You can keep it for yourself, put it in a backpack, keychain, anything. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and then comment, let me know what you think, and then subscribe because I have more amazing videos coming up for you. Alright, see you next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!